Hello guys, today we will learn how to remove this fence using an easy method. First, we will click here. This is edit in quick mask mode. Then we will select a brush and we will paint it. Once it is done, we will click here again. We will go to select, inverse. Then we'll go to edit. We will click on fill and make sure content aware is selected and click on OK. Press Ctrl+ D on your keyboard. Now if you feel that some finishing is required, you click here on spot healing brush tool and then let's heal these spots so that it gives us more natural effect. And it is done. The fence is removed and it looks more natural now. Thank you for watching.